here is Swipes Widget app, and this is like a tutorial for you how to use this app, how it works, and how to get started. So basically, this app is based around Lockscreen widgets. So Lockscreen widgets available from iOS 16 on iPhones. This is like the widgets available on your lock screen. So you don't need to unlock your phone, log into the app, see the message. So you instantly can see all the message, the app info, right on your lock screen. And this is the app where you can just send your mood, your vibes, and share this mood with your friends. So you just create an account and then just tap start vibing. And then you just select which mood are you in right now. You can add this memoji. You can add happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, bored. Then you can just add additional ones. I think you need to have at least 6 ones to get started. Then of course you can edit those. Then you can just tap this mood check, and this is like your mood, your vibe. And then you need to set up to complete this setup. You need to add this widget on the home screen. You need to have a lock screen widget, and then you can also add few emojis by basically share vibes with real selfies. And then you have streak. Your streak continues for each day you vibe in a row. Then you can just tap start vibing again, and then that's how you vibe basically. Then you see your friends. You can add your friends here. Then you can just ask vibe from your friends. So you are vibing yourself, and then you can just ask your friends how they are doing and all of that. And then that's basically the idea, that on your lock screen you just see like that some of your friends are happy, some of them are fun, some of them traveling, whatever the mood they are, just with this app. So that's basically the concept. And then also you can allow location in this app to see what is the vibe of your friends as well. So they're trying to create kind of this social map app, which was popular with Zenly app a while ago. So that's basically the idea. Then you can also engage in a chat. You can message friends. This is just like a test account. There are some photos. You can also send attachments. You can send location, Spotify or Apple Music. So a lot of features being added to this app in recent time. And then you can see all your settings. Then there are memories. Then there is home screen widget. Then more. If you want, you can delete an account here. So that's that. But let's just explore. To install lock screen widget, just go to settings. You can go to wallpaper, tap customize, add widget, and then from here you can just go and install vibes widget. And then there are 2 types widgets. First one type is that you can see your vibe and update it with 1 tap. And then second types of the widget, then you can see your friend's latest vibe. So this is basically how you see your own vibe, and then how you see your friend's vibe, or you can request a vibe check from your friends on your own vibe. You can just tap to update your vibe, and then just add any widgets you like, and then just tap done, and there you have it. Then you will just save your vibes widget on the lock screen. To add a home screen widget, just tap and hold, and then just tap here, and then just search for vibes, and then that's your vibes widget. See your friend's latest vibes, and then you can just tap add widget, and there you have it. And then just tap done, and then you can see your friend's latest vibes. But maybe if your friends don't post vibes, you won't see those. So anyhow, that's the idea. Hope this is helpful.